I have 50 set files and 30 robots that I am currently testing, and today I'm going to walk through the exact process how I'm going to pick the best ones for a $1,000 account. First, I took $1,000 of my own money and put it into trading.com, and they will put in $9,000. So all up, this is a $10,000 account, but 1,000 of that is my money. And I can't really trade it as a $10,000 account because I am in stage 1 of trading.com. There are a total of 5 stages, and the end goal is regulated hedge fund capital. And in all stages, we have a 10% maximum loss, and the profit target is 20%. So out of all the 30 expert advisors that I have, I need to find something that will make 20% or $2,000 without exceeding a $1,000 maximum loss. To do that, I'm going to use the dashboard that I built quite recently that I've shared with the members of my paid community. And you can see on the top here, left here, I've got quite a lot of expert advisors. So let's fine tune this list into something much more manageable. I don't care about the closed expert advisors where I've discarded the EAs. I want at least, let's say, 120 days worth of trading with a return on drawdown of at least 2.35. And now this list is looking much more manageable. We've got a total of 7 robots to analyze. I'm going to start at the bottom, and we've got first of all the Wave Liberator by Expert Forex, and I already know that I'm going to discard this one because remember that we have a $1,000 account, and in the right here you can see the top chart is the profits and the bottom chart is the drawdown, and in the drawdown we've got $6,000 worth of drawdown, so that is immediately discarded. Second one, for the Trade Explorer, again the drawdown is at about the 1,000 mark on this particular test, so that one again is discarded. Same with our RSI Liberator account 8, RSI Liberator account 7. Here is our first real contender, the Percept AI Expert Advisor, trading on 0.01 lot size, has had a historical drawdown of $150. So that one is penciled in for potential for our $1,000 account. Next, we've got the King Robot Less Aggressive settings. Here we've got version 5.1, but I have upgraded this recently to version 6.0. And the maximum drawdown here is $400, which is in line with our $1,000 account. Next up is Happy Gold, and the return on drawdown here is 2.79, so not that great. So we'll move to the next one, which is the Atomic Trader by LeapFX. And this one has a return on drawdown of 3.18, which is really promising, and it's been going for 135 days. And most importantly, the drawdown is quite manageable at $400. So we've penciled in our 3. Let's take a look at those in detail. I've moved over to the profit versus drawdown chart, and in the top I've got all the balance lines, and at the bottom we're looking at the floating profit and loss. And this chart is really useful in determining whether these 3 expert advisors are correlated. If I move my mouse over each of the 3 lines, we can see much more detail. So in the first one, we can see that this is a King Robot trading at 0.01 lot size. The blue line is the Atomic Trader trading also at 0.01 lot size. And lastly is the Percept Trader AI trading at 0.01 lot size. From the equity charts, you can see that I started trading the Percept AI back in July 2023, the King Robot in October 2023, and the Atomic Trader in January of 2024. But the most important aspect is not the balance line up the top, it is the drawdown at the bottom. What we're looking for here is spikes down, how big they are, and whether they all happen at the same time. So I can see Percept Trader AI had a $150 worth of drawdown back in September 2023, but none of these sharp spikes down seem to overlap, which is very, very promising. So I'm going to filter this by the last month of trading to see how they're behaving, because the dotted line is when I was importing data from FX Blue. And more recently, this solid drawdown line is my account syncing to my database every single hour. So this is realistic drawn down numbers. In the past month of trading, I can see the King Robot has made $343 based on 0.01 lot size. The Atomic has made $241, and the Percept Trader AI has made $44. But let's more importantly look at the drawdown. So even though the Percept AI Trader Expert Advisor has made the least profit out of the three, it probably has also made the lowest drawdown, whereas the blue lines is much higher than the orange line. So if we take a look at each, for example, this section here, right now, you can see the Atomic Trader. See this sharp spike down right here, and the what is this orange line? The Percept Trader AI. So they both have sharp spikes down at the same time, which means they are slightly correlated back in the 29th of April 2024. But more recently, they have not been in correlation. Just to be on the safe side, I might not put the Atomic Trader and the Percept AI Trader Expert Advisor on one account. I might put the King Robot and the Percept Trader AI on one account and the Atomic on a separate account. So let's take a look at what the King and the Percept AI Trader would look like together. And both drawdown charts look pretty independent, not really correlated. So I might put both of these on one account. But for the Percept AI Expert Advisor, instead of trading at 0.01 lot size, I might increase it a little bit to 0.02 lot size. And on another account, I'll have the Atomic Trader trading all by itself. My approach with trading.com is not to try to have all my eggs in one basket and put all my hopes and dreams into there. I'm going to have multiple accounts, trade different strategies and different expert advisors in them, and see slowly, one by one, hopefully I will get payouts on each account on different months. Because the first account that I had with trading.com did not go well, I had a pretty big drawdown because of a couple of expert advisors, like the Gold Investor Expert Advisor, which took a sizable chunk of my account out a few weeks ago. So I'm going to diversify my strategies, because ultimately Forex is a probability game, where sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. For example, my True Forex funds, the only company that was honestly giving me regular payouts, has finally shut down. Just like my Forex funds, where I lost a couple of challenges a few months ago, which is why I started trading with trading.com a little while ago, because they are not a prop firm. If you want to hear more about trading.com, watch this video here where I talk about the challenges and how they pave a way for you to get hedge fund capital.